Politeness 101. Making polite offers in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to delve deeper into the art of making offers in English. We already know how to use the phrase, "Do you want?" But how can we make our offers sound even more polite? The beauty of English is in its flexibility, and today, we will explore alternative ways to make polite offers. Let's get started. In English, politeness isn't just about saying, please, and thank you. The way we phrase our sentences can greatly affect how polite we come off. For instance, using the phrase, "Do you want?" is a direct way of making an offer, but it might not be the most polite way. In this section, we'll learn about alternative ways to phrase our offers to make them sound more polite. How do we make "do you want" sound more polite? Well, one way is to add modal verbs. Modal verbs, such as would or could, can soften the directness of our questions or offers. For instance, instead of saying, "Do you want some tea?" you could say, "Would you like some tea?" or "Could I get you some tea?" Another way to make your offers sound more polite is by adding phrases like, "if you'd like," or "if it's not too much trouble." These phrases show that you're considering the other person's feelings and preferences. For example, instead of saying, "Do you want me to open the window?" you could say, "I could open the window if you'd like." The word perhaps is a great tool to use when you want to make a polite offer. It's a soft way of suggesting something without sounding too direct or demanding. For instance, instead of saying, "Do you want to go to the park?" you might say, "Perhaps we could go to the park?" Indirect questions are another fantastic tool for making polite offers. They involve rephrasing your offer into a question. Instead of saying, "Do you want to see a movie tonight?" an indirect question might be, "How would you feel about seeing a movie tonight?" And that's it for today's lesson. Remember, making polite offers is about more than just the words you use. It's about showing respect and consideration for the other person's feelings and preferences. Keep practicing these alternative ways to say, "Do you want?" and you'll be a master of politeness in no time. We hope you found this video helpful, and as always, happy learning!